LEGO Creator 31114 3-in-1 Superbike. Inspire kids' passion for cool motorbikes and creative building with the impressive LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Superbike 31114 toy set. Kids will love staging exciting race action with this modern motorbike toy, which features moving handlebars, working suspension, and a kickstand. The best toys for imaginative play. Kids can enjoy 3 different build and play experiences in this LEGO Creator 3-in-1 toy set. They can build the modern superbike and then rebuild it into a classic motorcycle with kickstand, make a futuristic hoverbike for high-flying adventures, or use their imaginations to create something new. An amazing collection of building toys. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 sets open a world of endless possibilities with 3 different models to create in every box. LEGO builders will be thrilled as they build, rebuild, and build again. Creator 3-in-1 inspires little builders' imaginations and keeps them happy for hours with a great selection of models, including cool cars, fearsome creatures, and detailed buildings. The LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Superbike 31114 set inspires endless creative building, featuring 3 models in one: a modern motorbike, a classic motorcycle, and a futuristic hoverbike. A host of exciting adventures are on offer to imaginative kids, who can stage super fast races around the track with a modern or classic LEGO motorbike or take to the sky on a hoverbike. The motorbike toy set makes the ideal reward for kids aged 8 and up who have a real passion for toy motorbikes and creative building. The Superbike measures over 4 inches, 11 centimeters high, 7 inches, 19 centimeters long, and 2 inches, 6 centimeters wide, the perfect portable size to play with at home or to take to a friend's house. The Superbike features moving handlebars, a working suspension, and a kickstand, while the classic motorbike also comes with a kickstand so kids can proudly display it. This impressive set offers kids 3 different options to develop their building skills and create vehicles to play with on their own or add to other LEGO toy sets for more fun. Look out for other great, new for January 2021 LEGO Creator 3-in-1 sets: Cyber Drone 31111, Wild Lion 31112, Race Car Transporter 31113, and Surfer Beach House 31100.